can you just share to us, sa mga listeners, kung paano yung istorya ng asan ba yung first na eskwelahan dito sa Benguet? Paano ba nagsimula? Sino ba yung first na teacher?
Magandang hahanap tayo ng mga references. Mukhang limited yung ating resources. Meron tayong People's History of Benguet. Napakaganda.
Yeah, that is the book that I'm still looking at.
Binabanggit naman yung education doon.
Yes,
Tapos, ang dami-daming hiwa-hiwalay na mga Latin na may kinalaman sa early education. So sabi ko, baka naman po pwedeng
compile.
Tag-isahin.
Yes.
Baka naman pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng isang write-up na talagang titingnan natin yung pinagmulan ng ating education. Bakit ba? Yung sinasabi natin na magsimula tayo kung saan tayo. And then, doon, nagtanong-tanong tayo. Then, nakatulong naman itong mga initial references. Initial sources. Mga reports during the American regime, mga education reports.
Hinalungkat nyo lahat yun sa library.
Tapos, ang realization ko doon, bakit hindi natin ito pinag-aralan?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Noong tayo ay college, noong tayo ay high school.
Yeah.
So parang, yung realization natin, tama pala na, during our time, this were excluded from the contents of our curriculum. Because nobody
knew.
or very few wrote about this. So here comes now we are speaking of indigenous people's education. Mismo ang education history natin, we are not aware. So napag-isipan natin, isulat na lang muna natin yung pinagmulan ng education natin. So alam mo, yung sinasabi nila, hindi tayo sinakop ng mga Espanyol.
How true is that?
Tayo.
Yeah. How are we?
Yeah. As early as 1846, yung Trinidad. Kaya nga La Trinidad.
It's a Spanish.
On the honor of the wife of Galvez, Trinidad. Ang pangalan alone is an indication na tayo ay nasakop.